Gramabandi service, which won the commendation award in urban transport, is implemented in which state? Kerala. Which state has launched the first exclusive handicraft policy? Rajasthan. Which union ministry implements the Swayam Tiva scheme? Panchayat Raj. DigiLocker is a documents exchange platform under which union ministry? Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Which department launched a nationwide campaign for promotion of digital life certificate? Department of Pension and Pensioners Welfare. What is the short code of the 24/7 multilingual tourist info helpline set up by Ministry of Tourism 1363? Swadesh Darshan scheme is implemented by which union ministry? Ministry of Tourism. Which state launched the Drink from Tap project? Odisha. Which state or UT has recently granted industry status to its tourism sector? Assam. Raithu Bandhu is the flagship scheme of which state or union territory? Telangana. Who are the beneficiaries of the SWA-MIH fund? Home buyers. Youth Collab. Youth Innovation Movement is an initiative of Atal Innovation Mission and which institution? UNDP. Which state has announced 12 LPG cylinders a year for Rs 500 each to poor families? Rajasthan. Which state launched the Drink from Tap project? Odisha. What is the name of the fund to be launched by the Government of India for catalyzing deep tech startups? Deep Tech Innovation Fund. Future Engineer Program is an initiative of which multinational company? Amazon. What is the initial outlay of the National Green Hydrogen Mission? 19,744 crore. Which state has rolled out menstrual and maternity leaves for students for the first time in the country? Kerala. Ministry of Defence, in collaboration with which ministry, organizes the Veer Gatha project? Ministry of Education. Khanan Prahari application, which was seen in the news, is associated with which union ministry? Ministry of Mines. Digital India Bill is associated with which union ministry? Ministry of Electronics and IT. Who are the beneficiaries of the Sagar Parikrama program? Fishermen. Which union ministry implements the National Plan for Conservation of Aquatic Ecosystem? Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. New Indian Literacy Program will be implemented as which type of scheme? Centrally sponsored scheme. Aroma Mission has been originally launched in which state or union territory? Jammu and Kashmir. Which state has decided to implement State Millet Mission scheme? Madhya Pradesh. Which union ministry organizes the Kalanjali event? Ministry of Culture. Which state launched the statewide attention on grievances by application of technology Swagat initiative? Gujarat. Which union ministry is associated with NMICPS mission? Ministry of Science and Technology. Aashman Assam Mukhyamantri Jan Arogya Yojana is the initiative of which state? Assam. Which union ministry launched the City Beauty Competition portal? Ministry of Home Affairs. Which state or union territory launched the Others Colony initiative? Odisha. Which state announced financial aid of Rs 10 lakh to discharged patients suffering from the Duchenne muscular dystrophy? Odisha. Which union ministry launched a learning management information system Saksham? Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Rebuild Kerala initiative is aimed at rebuilding which entity? Roads. Which union ministry releases periodic labor force survey figures? Ministry of Labor and Employment. Which union ministry implements the city investments to innovate, integrate and sustain 2.0? Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Sagar Samriddhi is an initiative of which union ministry? Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterway. Which state or union territory introduced the country's first police drone unit? Tamil Nadu. Which state or union territory recently launched the Yuba Tourism Club? Arunachal Pradesh. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is implemented by which union ministry? Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Vidhayak Kshetra Vikas Nidhi Yojana is associated with which state or union territory? Himachal Pradesh. Which union ministry notified the green hydrogen standards for India? Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. As of August 2023, what is the number of accounts opened under the PM Jan Dhan Yojana? 50.09 crore. Which state launched Gruha Lakshmi scheme? Karnataka. Which state launched the Mukhyamantri Medhavi Chhatra Protsahan Yojana? Odisha. Diksha platform functions under which union ministry? Ministry of Education. Mukhyamantri Ladli Behna Awas Yojana is associated with which state? Madhya Pradesh. What is the financial outlay for E-Codes Phase 3 scheme? 7210 crore. Which union ministry recently launched the Swachhata Special Campaign 3.0 portal? Ministry of Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions.
Please like, share and subscribe to Aashmi Classes. Thank you so much.